Guys, I'm back. As you can see, it's a mess. I'm cleaning it up, and the rug is kind of, I'm not sure if the camera's catching it, but it's definitely there. The car sat for a really long time, so like the rug is kind of like a yellowish, hard to explain, but it's like faded almost. Right, you can see it over here, I guess where the sun hit it. And I found an alternative way to clean it. As you can see right here, not clean it, but restore the rug. Right, you see the difference, how it's yellow to this black, dark rich black. I've used it before. It's the duplicolor vinyl and fabric. It has to be vinyl and fabric if you're gonna use it on the rug. And over here, I'm doing part by part. You're supposed to clean the rug, vacuum it, and make sure it's clean of any debris before spraying it. I spray this one. If you ask, it does not stain, right? It doesn't get hard. It keeps the same texture of rug. It's just, it makes it look brand new again. As you can see, I'm gonna do it before and after. Well, you guys seen how it's yellow, but you're gonna see after I do the entire car. But yep, cheap way. I think these cans are about, prices of everything's going up, but the can gotta be about like, I think 11 bucks. I bought two. One, you can stretch one, but usually I do 2 coats, because after I do the first coat, I rub the rug back down and then do another coat. This way it catches it, because you know how if you rub it this way, it kind of catches like one look, and then if you rub it that way, another one. But yep, that's it, guys. Nice, easy alternative, so you don't have to buy a new rug. You just clean your old rug, spray this, let it air out, and that's about it. And you can also spray the trims, anything plastic and stuff. This is good. So yep, guys, that's it. Here's the finished product. Don't mind the battery, I'm figuring that out. But yeah, you can see the rug. Here's what I use, the duplicolor vinyl and fabric. You can even spray your own leather, the old leather, and it'll stick to it very nice. Just like I said, make sure you clean everything, vacuum it good, and yeah.